Welcome to EDU World Space.
Hello everyone, in this problem we have to calculate moment of force about the point A when force of 80 Newton is applied at point C as shown in the figure. Since we required the moment of force at point A, so we have to measure position vector CA. See the figure. CA position vector can be written as all distances are given in millimeter, so we directly convert it into meter. So x coordinate 0.55 minus 0 I cap, because this is at A is at origin, and we will write the coordinate of C along x axis in this direction, along y axis and along z axis, plus 0.4 minus 0 k cap. Sorry, I have written here wrongly. This is j cap. So I am doing the correction here. Plus minus 0.2 minus 0 k cap, and this will be in meter. So position vector CA you can write 0.55 I cap plus 0.4 j cap minus 0.2 k cap meter. Now we have to calculate the force acting at C. We required force in vector form, component form. So we are resolving the force into its component, and that value will be 80 cos of 30 into sine of 40 I cap plus cos of 30 into cos of 40 j cap minus sine of 30 into k cap. On simplifying it, this force will be 44.53 I cap plus 53.1 j cap minus 40.0 k cap Newton. Now you can find the moment of force about A point, taking the cross product of position vector AC and applied force at C. We can solve it with the help of determinant, because we have to find the cross product. Now write the value of position vector. This is 0.55, 0.4 minus 0.2, 44.53, 53.1 and minus 40.0 Newton. So this moment of force about A point on the pipe we will get minus 5.39 I cap plus 13.1 j cap plus 11.4 k cap. Newton into meter will be the unit. So this is the answer for this problem. Thank you for watching.